What is the output of the following code snippet? Is it option A 0.0 space 1.0, or is it option B 0 space 1, or is it option C error, or is it option D none of the mentioned? Now if you look at this point, for I in range, inside the range we are using int of 2.0. So this is a float number and we are doing int. Now range int of 2.0 is same as range of 2 because here we are doing type conversion. So it will print based on this for I, it will print 0 then 1 in a new line format. So let us check this code in the IDE. It is printing 0 and 1 because we have used 2 in range. Hence our option B, that is 0 space 1, is the correct answer.